Well, how's it going today? I hope it's going really great. I have an exercise for you today that we're going to go to the ninth with. It starts down, and it goes up modulating, and ends to the next modulation, meaning going to the next key. And here's an example of it right here. Up to the next key. And then the prep for the key that you're going into. And we're starting low and going up down here. So gentlemen, you're going to be really happy. Ladies, you can do it if you have a nice low voice, and I know a lot of you do. I do. Also, this is going to be a great exercise for you being able to see how long you can go with your notes. It's going to help you with the air capacity. Taking a nice deep breath. Remember, taking a nice deep breath, and the secret here is, number one, don't start out and push a lot of air out, pulling down with a rib cage, because that's going to lock your ability to be able to bring and use the air that you need. Number two is to keep the body up. There's going to be a steady stream of air going out. At the end, if you feel like you can't go to the very end, okay, no problem. Pull down back here and then let the abdominals go in. But only if you really have to. It is a little bit slow of a tempo, but not too slow. We need to be able to get the notes, especially if you're not used to going up to the ninth. So let's get started. Body up now, pushing out. That's it. You can make it. If you can't, let it go. Let it go in. Don't get over tight on the abdominals. This is the last one going up. Okay. Now you're going to pause here. We're going to go back down. Watch how it is on the way down. Right there. See how it goes, modulates down. Body up. That's it. And move. If you're able to do this with comfort, move your body around. was so good. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, you can use this in many different ways, but the most important is, can you take a breath? Can you do a long sentence? Can you do a long phrase when you sing? Are you out of breath? The reason is you're really not expanding in this area here, staying out and going slowly, approaching it slowly, not bombastically, not banging in there, throwing a lot of air out. Okay, so the first thing is, don't throw the air out. Second thing is, don't blast out in the beginning. Keep it nice and easy. Ride it so you have enough air at the end. Then staying out and keeping the body out as you go along. And also, if you have a problem, pull down in the back, keep the body up, and let the abdominals go out because you are out of air. And the diaphragm, everybody talks about that, is going back up. The lungs are losing the last bit of their air. Keep the body up. It's okay if you have to go in at that point. You don't want these muscles to get too tight. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. I love the fact that I could look at you and not have to play, because as I play, trying to talk to you, think about what I need to say, and then as it gets more difficult, my hands get so upset. Oh, you have a wonderful, wonderful singing day, 'cause it's such a day, yeah, yeah, such a mighty fine day, yeah. Woo! Subscribe, ring that bell, tell me how it worked for you. Tell me how your breathing was. Do you have a difficult time with long phrases, or is it just your piece of cake and you like this for like cooling down, taking a nice deep breath and taking it from high to a little bit low note? Just leave your comments, let me know. Okay, bye.